Hi everybody, I am here in this gorgeous spot to tell you about something new. So it's no secret that I absolutely love being out in nature, and it's this beautiful world that we live in that's created my love for repurposing and upcycling. And because of that, I want to do my part to help keep as much as we can out of the landfill. So every piece that we can recreate is something that won't end up in the landfill. And it's that passion that I've decided to do something new, and I'm here to introduce the Recreated Designs Junk into Gems Challenge. So what it is, this is going to be open to anybody, and each month what we're going to do, I'm going to give you an item of the month, and you're going to have a chance to upcycle it. There's going to be prizes, we're going to be sharing them on social media. It's going to be so much fun. So I just wanted to pop in today, let you know that this is coming, and we're going to start the very first challenge on July 1st. So be sure, there's going to be a link above. Be sure to sign up because I'll send you all of the details about the challenge in an email. So you do have to sign up, but it is open to anybody, no matter what your creative level, and we are going to have so much fun. I can't wait to see what you guys are going to upcycle and your repurposing ideas, and I'll give you more details in an email. So I look forward to seeing you soon, and I'll see you on July 1st with the very first item of the month.